Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Health. Today we are going to discuss about ketogenic coffee benefits and how it could affect us in a positive way. 4 reasons to consume this healthy morning drink. If you often struggle in the morning with lethargy issues and that regularly cup of coffee does not seem to work for you anymore, then you have come to the right place. Ketogenic coffee is your answer to combat all those morning wounds. Ketogenic coffee is known for its instant energy boosting properties. It follows the rule of the ketogenic diet, which emphasizes on the intake of low-carb, high-fat foods. It is a hot brewed cup of coffee prepared with addition of healthy fats in the form of grass-fed butter and medium-chain triglyceride, which is called MCT coconut oil. The use of MCT coconut oil guarantees that a more concentrated mix is being added to your coffee instead of plain coconut oil. The butter, on the other hand, needs to be unsalted and strictly grass-fed. The addition of keto coffee in your diet may work wonders for you. Here is how. Promotes weight loss. Consumption of keto coffee may promote weight loss by suppressing appetite. Keto coffee is dense in healthy fats. It tends to make you feel fuller for long. Keto coffee works to bring your body to a state of ketosis, where the fatty acids are broken into ketone bodies. These are the molecules, molecules that are more efficient in fueling your body with energy than glucose. With the absence of glucose, the body will instead burn the stored fats in your body. It will further eliminate all craving and provide instant satisfaction. Consume keto coffee in the morning on an empty stomach to give your day an energizing start. It would carry enough fats and calories for you to go through the large part of your day. The caffeine content in your cup of coffee will help you in stimulating the mind and body. It is necessary to keep a check on the type of coffee you are adding to your diet, which should preferably be organic. Organic coffee will make sure that there are no added preservatives or pesticides residues. Similarly, butter added to the coffee should also be all natural and organic. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are present in the grass-fed butter, are known to be beneficial as they have anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 acids keeps heart diseases at bay, promotes good digestion. The presence of coconut oil in keto coffee acts as a natural laxative. When consumed directly, it lubricates one's digestive system and promotes gut health. Coconut oil is also known to have antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. However, the bottom line still remains that it does not offer any nutrients due to the absence of carbs and minerals. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to Eagle Health. Thanks for watching. Namaste.
Like and subscribe Eagle Health and Beauty.